everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, if you're new here and visiting for the first time, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. I want to thank you for all your love and support. Now, guys, it is Tablescape Sunday again, and as you know, it is being presented by Diva's Dynasty. Now, if you don't know who Diva's Dynasty is, it consists of 5 wonderful ladies. Our host for this Tablescape Sunday is Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living. The other co-hosts are the Diva Dynasty members are Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia of Cynthia She's So Blessed, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and me, Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And guys, our host, Miss Lynn, she wanted us to create a non-traditional fall tablescape for 2020. Now, we had to create a table or design a table using the non-traditional colors, and we were to decorate it our style, our way. That was our challenge. So guys, I'm going to show you what I designed, and I will come back and tell you everything about my table. Okay, so right here at my place setting, which I have a 4-place setting table, right here I started off with a gold leaf placemat that I got from the Dollar Tree a couple years back, and I'm using that. And on top of that, I have my white plates from the Dollar Tree with the gold rim, and I have my napkins that are 2 different napkins. One is white, as you can see, one is gold, and they are folded in a fan fashion. And I have my DIY gold napkin ring right here. And I think this is such a pretty place setting. I have my gold silverware, which is from Walmart. Next to it over here, I have my leaf crystal candle holder. It's a tea light holder, but I decided to put my white candle, jar candle, inside of it instead of a tea light. And as I said, all the place settings are the same. Right here, I have my martini glass, and this martini glass was handed down to me from my mom, and I think it is so lovely. It's 4 of them. It has the little crystals at the bottom. I added those on myself. And I'm going to go to the centerpiece. Now for my centerpiece here, I have this beautiful white and gold curtain, which this is actually a fabric shower curtain. And I thought this would make the perfect centerpiece for this table setting. Now for my centerpiece here, I have this beautiful pumpkin. I got that from Burlington about a year back, I believe. It is a gold beaded glass candle holder. And I have the candle in there, but I don't have it lit up. And I have this array of neutral flowers in there, and they came from Michael's about a year ago. Now, I try not to put any brown in here, so I do have this kind of brownish, but it's goldish too, glam pumpkin that I picked up from Home Goods, and I just got that this year with the crystal knob on top. I think this is absolutely beautiful. And this was $14.99. So, Miss Lynn, don't hurt me for putting a little bit of brown in there. Right here I have this metallic pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. And I have pumpkins all around this centerpiece. Here I have the glittered kind of orangish color one. And I have the gold one there. And on the other side I have another copper looking one. So as you can see, my colors I was trying to go with was white and gold. And just a hint of the brown and the neutral colors. I think this came out so good. So guys, I'm going to put on, oh, I didn't tell you about the florals that's around it. It came from this bunch, and I just decided to stick those all around it. So you can enjoy it more. I am going to turn on the music, and I am going to let you see it all together. So guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to watch everyone on the playlist. Give them some support and some love. I'm sure you're going to see some great fall tablescapes using these non-traditional colors. Until next time, I want to thank Lynn, our host, and the Divas Dynasty. Beautiful ladies. I also want to give a shout out to Miss Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. We wish you a speedy recovery, and we'll be glad when you can get back with us because we miss you so much. So until next time, guys, bye-bye, my loves.